Welcome inside the Visit Lethbridge.com arenas. The Lethbridge Hurricanes welcome their Highway 3 rival, Medicine Hat Tigers. Ranked 5th coming into the game today is a point shot. Scores! Jonas Wu, seeing eye wrister from the blue line. Bar down and in, and it's 1-0 Tigers. A power play goal. Medicine Hat leading 1-0. Puck back to the line. McCutcheon, a point shot. Scores! Logan McCutcheon from the line had to hit a body and deflect past Mennigan. It's tied at 1. Hooks it down the boards. Gazowski, a lane to the net. Backdoor chance. Scores! Sixth power play goal of the season for Leo Braillard. On the right wing, a forward back, Basha in a shot, scores! A short-handed goal by Andrew Basha, and the game is tied 2-2. And out will come Weisblatt in on the left wing. Weisblatt across, McKenna on the backhand, scores! Gavin McKenna slips it under the glove of Brady Smith, and with 20 seconds left in the period, the Tigers are back in front 3-2. Starts his way into the Tigers zone. Wormald to the front. Edwards scores! Bar down on a 2-on-1 for Brayden Edwards. Puck caroms back to the blue line. Tigers hold. Works to the middle. McKenna deals for Pickford. Right circle, scores! Ripped it over the glove of Brady Smith, and the Tigers are back in front 4-3. Here's a shot, scores! Tipped in front by Oasis Weisblatt. Braillard forced back in his own zone, gave it away. St. Martin, a shorthanded steal to the net, scores! Hunter St. Martin's second shorthanded goal. McCutcheon left point. Tried to work it back down the boards. Sharp will take it to the bumper. Andresen scores! A power play goal for Kash Andresen, and it's 6-4. Down the boards, Edwards to the front of the net, tipped by Andresen. Now Wormald scores! A power play goal for Logan Wormald, and the Hurricanes back to within 1. It's 6-5. And out to center ice, Shane Smith over the line, trying to bust through. It comes to Braillard, scores! Leo Braillard wired it to tie the game. It's 6-6. Quick touch to the near side for Chadwick. Under pressure, puck deflects to the side in front, scores! Norrie, Johnny on the spot. Comes to the top, McKenna with room. He shoots, tipped on goal, and Cleaver makes the save. A fan's dream here at the Visit Lethbridge.com arena to improve to 8-1-1 on home ice against all odds.